I have an Excel file of our company customers' data of 400 customers. For recording customized data for each customer, I need to make 400 Excel files using a template. I would require Python to automate this task for me by creating 400 Excel files with names for each customer of my company. This is the Excel template file that Python will use to create 400 individual customers' files. This is document structure in a folder on my machine for the job. I would require Python to save individual Excel file under data folder. Let's start coding in my Python interpreter. I shall use Python built-in util module to copy Excel template file to data folder. The built-in OS module will enable me to rename the copied Excel files in the data folder as per customer name. You would need to install pandas module on your machine using pip command if it is not already installed. Pandas will enable Python to read names of 400 customer to be pasted as Excel file names. Similarly, OpenPyXL module is necessary for reading Excel files 2007 and later. The source variable denotes the template Excel file. I have just shown you that file while showing document structure. The template file will be copied in destination folder data. R is used as raw string to avoid errors while using backslash. Python will read customers' names using pandas as data frame. As you remember, I have used Excel file with title names for this purpose. I will use for loop with range of 399 to cover all 400 names. Util command will copy template file from source to destination, which is data folder. Python will make me find each customer name using data frame and using lock function. With lock function, the column with label name is selected for each row as index number. Finally, the OS rename function will change the name of already copied customer template file. It will change it to the required customer name, which we have already got using pandas lock function. That's it, just run the program to get the 400 files with desired names. I'll open the data folder to see what we have got there. Wow! All 400 files as per names of my company customers are pasted there.